Today I'm going to be taking you through the planner builder process with Plum Paper Planner and show you how you can create your own custom planner. Today we're going to be creating an 8x11 custom planner because I feel like that is what I need in my life right now and for the season of life that I am in. And so I'm going to show you how to also navigate the Plum Paper website and show you how the customization process is a lot easier than you think. So first thing I'm going to do is click on planners, and you see you have some options here such as creating custom planners, specialty planners, planner extras, and educational planners. What I'm going to do is click on fully customized planners. They also have a simplified option here for those that are not too tech savvy. Once you get to this landing page, you'll see that you have 3 options here. A 5 planners, which is a smaller planner option for those that want to take the planner on the go. These planners fit perfectly in most bags and even purses. Next up, we have 7x9 planner. This is the most popular planner size. It's not too small, but it gives you the perfect amount of writing room. And then we have 8x11 planners, which is a perfect desk planner. It is a larger planner and it's very popular amongst teachers. And I've also seen stylists, those who book appointments using these sized planners. Once you decide which size you want to go with, you have the option to click on Explore Layouts. And so you can choose between a daily layout, a weekly, or monthly layout. So we have options here that you can view. The thing that I love about this is that once you click on these options, you have the option to preview the layout that you want. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily layout first. The daily layout, you have 2 options. You have an hourly daily, and I call this the regular daily option. And so the daily layout is perfect for those that have a lot going on in your personal life and you want to just see one page in view and keep track of all the little details. Which you have hours here, you can customize the headings, and then you have the regular daily layout, which also you have that space that you need to stay organized and see all of the details of your day. Plum Paper also offers horizontal and weekly layouts, and they have tons of options when you click on each of these options. So the horizontal layouts have lots of writing room for those that love a horizontal view for you to plan your days. My favorite is the 2-sided days or the notes in days. Those are 2 of my favorite options because you still have tons of writing space if needed. However, you have tons of space to plan out your week as well. And vertical layouts are perfect for tracking to-dos, plannings, or planning your days by the hour, such as the hourly layout here. My favorite vertical layout that you might see on my page a lot is the vertical priorities layout. And I think that this provides the perfect amount of room for planning priorities, habit tracking, and just also including those details so that you can see your page throughout the full week. Next up, we have monthly layouts. There are quite a few options in terms of monthly layouts, such as having a tabbed monthly or a simple monthly with no weeks included. Maybe you just need or prefer a monthly view rather than a weekly view. And so this planner layout is perfect for those that just want to focus on important days, tasks, bills, appointments that are going on month by month. So you can preview this and see which one works best for you and what you have going on in your life. So the layout that I'm going to go with is the vertical priorities layout. Click the order now option. So some of the features that I love when it comes to the design process is first you're going to start off by completing your cover design. So you have 3 cover options when it comes to the A5 and the 7x9 option. With the 8x11 option, you have two options. So you have a synthetic option, which is just the synthetic cover. It's a perfect canvas to showcase your personality and style as you choose one of the awesome, beautiful covers. We have a synthetic with clear cover, which is the same as the synthetic option, but it also has a clear cover on the front to protect your planner, just to add that extra layer of protection. In the A5 and 7x9 option, you have the option to choose a hardcover, and these hardcovers have specific designs laid out for you here that you can choose from if you prefer, for those that want like a study planner. And these covers have a soft touch finish that are both scratch resistant and water resistant. And once again, these three options are all perfect. It just comes down to what makes Plum paper so unique and you choosing what works best for you. But when it comes to creating my cover for my custom planner, I think I would like to go with something neutral. The thing is, I believe they have tons of options that will meet the design preference of every person. They have some colorful options, floral options, seasonal options. They even have monograms if you would like the front of your planner monogrammed. So I'm going to go with this option, which is called Tropical Shadow. And I love that it gives you a preview to your left-hand side to show what you're going to be ordering and what it will look like when you will receive it. Next up, I'll get to personalize my cover. You don't have to, but you can personalize this cover if you want to, and I think that just adds a layer of specialness to the customization process. So I think I'm gonna go with Gray's Plan here. And I don't want a text bar. You have the option to have a text bar or not have one. You also have the option to customize the color of your font. And I think I'm gonna go with this retro option right here, but you also have plenty of other fonts to choose from, such as calligraphy type fonts, script type fonts, and also retro type fonts, like the one that I chose here. Next, in the customization process, you'll get to choose your own colorway, whether you want a modern color scheme, colorful, and neutral. Once again, you get a preview right to your left to see what it'll look like when you order your planner. We're going to go with the neutral option, and now we get to go through some customization features, which is my favorite part of this process in terms of really customizing the guts of this planner. So you can choose options such as having no color, having no lines, or having lines. For me, I am a solid line type of girl. I need that guidance when I'm writing, and so I'm going to choose to have lines. However, I want this to be a completely neutral planner, so I'm going to toggle the option to have color off and move on to the next step. The fun thing about this process is that you get to customize your layout section by section. If you look on the left-hand side, there is a little marker here to guide you of which section you're customizing. For my planner in particular, I want to have it say important this week, but you also could have something customized like quote of the week, if you'd like. And it shows you exactly what you typed into the left-hand portion on this view. So that's one thing I love about the customization process. Once again, it's that you truly get to see what you're getting. Click next, and now you'll have the option to choose your start month and custom holidays. This is one of the best features of Plum paper because you get to select when your planner starts. You don't have to wait until January or an academic school year to start your planner. So you get to choose when your planner starts for when you will receive it. And so we're going to start this planner this month. just so that when I get it, it'll still be this month and I can start fresh and new. And you get to choose what start month you'd like to start with. And I am a Sunday start person, but if you're a Monday start person, you can choose that as well. And then you have the options to add lines on your month, which I love because I love writing straight. And so you can choose to add lines or leave it blank if you don't want any. You have the option to select if you want a 12-month planner, all the way up to an 18-month planner. If you need a planner to go out that far, Plum Paper can give you the option to do that. So you also have the option to add holidays and special events. That allows you to add your own special events as well. And this is a way that you can make your planner work for your needs, especially if you have certain birthdays that you'd like to celebrate that you don't necessarily want to write down. Plum Paper can add that for you. And this goes for anniversaries, family vacations, paydays, and so much more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add special dates here. And one date that I want to add is an anniversary for my sorority. And you can choose the date here, December 12th, 2024. And once you customize that, you can add it and it'll be saved to your profile. So if you customize your planner for the next year, all you have to do is select that date to be added and it'll be included in future orders. And so what I'm going to do is go ahead and save that event. And you can add another one, such as, for example, I have a pinning ceremony for my program that I am in, and that is also in December. And I can just add that into my saved birthdays and events, and it'll save and it'll go ahead and be added into your planner. And once you scroll to the month that you added it into, you can see that it went ahead and created a preview for you so you can see what that date looks like in your planner. Next up, we have some binding options. So you can choose to do a silver coil. There are gold coil options for the smaller planner sizes. You can have your planner disc bound or disc punched for disc. And then you can also choose the option to have it not bound or punched. You also have the option to add disc if you are needing some disc here, and they have champagne, vintage gold, and silver as disc options if you would like to include disc in your custom order. So I'm going to choose a silver coil for my 8x11 planner. And last but not least, this last section, we get to choose our custom add-ons. So add-ons are so fantastic for planning specific areas in your life, including your work, home life, even student life if you're currently a student like me. And so there are over 40 options of add-on options for your custom planner. And so these additional pages help you focus on what's most important in your life, whether that be meal planning, your family, sticking to a budget. There's truly so many options for you to add on custom pages to your planner. For my planner in particular, two most important options are adding meeting notes, because I am involved in a lot of things for school, as well as community involvement as well. And so I like to make sure that I keep track of all of the meetings that I'm attending and notes. So you have the option to add whether a tabbed meeting notes page, and if you click the question mark here, it tells you what the difference between tabbed and dispersed is. I'm going to choose 10 pages of meeting notes. I think that'll be good enough for the year because it's front and back. And another thing that is important to me since I am in school is the checklist option. I need checklists to make sure that I have everything that I need to be successful for school and all of the things I am involved in. And so just having a simple checklist tab will allow me to dedicate each page to school, sorority things, and make sure that I have all the components. You can also use this for a cleaning list for checklist pages. You can use this if you're a teacher, and things like vinyl sheet protectors at the very end of your planner, and you can also choose how many you would like to make sure all of your customizations are just how you like it. You'll go ahead and approve it. You'll add it to cart and you will place your order. The thing that I like the most about when you add your planner into your cart is that you can see all of the price breakdown, the layout specifications, and the custom options that you have chose here. And then you can see what you've done for your custom sections. So you can see all the customizations that you have done, and as well as the add-ons. The only thing left is to place your order and receive your order at your doorstep. Alright, so I received a notification that my planner was delivered. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. We can see that we have a pamphlet that shows planner care, how to order additional customization options such as accessories and stickers, and additional things that Plum Paper offers. So let's go ahead and open up my custom planner. And I am so excited for this because I walked you guys through the process. Now you guys get to see what it looks like in real life. So we have my customized cover here with my name on it, and then we get to go see how we customize the inside. And so the first thing, if you remember, I customized my months to have lines on there. We have the custom weeks, which everything has been customized in terms of what I want it to leave blank, my weekly tracking or my habit options, notes, and then additional headings for things for school, some additional dates in here. And remember, it reflects everything that it shows in the preview, so it is so nice to see my custom planner come to life. And then I also have the additional meetings add-on pages and the checklist add-on pages. And I'm so excited to dig deep into this and get started planning my life.